Next, I'm going to go over some of the motor control that is required to tap dance. With tap dance, you have to think about it that you're making music. Our tap shoes and our floor serve as the instruments so we can make that music. So it's not necessarily just that you're making a sound or not making sound, but there's a quality to the sound. So a dancer might have to be able to differentiate between doing something really quiet or really loud or anywhere in between, along that range. Often you have to do that within a series of other steps in your choreography. So for something simple, I might have a couple quiet heels, and then maybe they get a little louder, and then there's a loud one, there's an accent. For one example, so you have to be able to have that control to not only have the part of your foot hit the floor that you want to, but it's happening at the sound quality that you also want.